Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing amazing. My name is Kashish and today's video is going to be really amazing. Because to be very honest, I was dealing with pigmentation, uneven skin tone for a very long period of time, and now I have got a permanent solution to it. So today's video is really going to be amazing, and if you're a person who is suffering with dark spots, uneven skin tone and pigmentation, then this video is for you. Honestly, I am dealing with pigmentation, uneven skin tone for a very long period of time, and I know it's really irritating and it stresses you out completely, which has happened with me also. And before this, most of the products which I have tried, like this is my personal experience, have irritated my skin because I have a very sensitive skin, or it has not given me any results at all. So this has happened with me before. And recently I came up with something and that product really caught my attention. So in today's video, basically I'm going to share you my honest experience, like no filter and no fake claims. See, I have not applied any makeup also on my face today. It's completely natural. So let's start the video. So if you're struggling with the same issues, then keep watching the video till the end. I have tried almost everything, but what if I tell you that this serum from Novology actually works? You can see the results because I am trying this since a month now. So this is a serum from Novology. It is the BI Phasic Serum for pigmentation reduction. Like if you have any pigmentation around your lips or at the sides, it is really a game changer, and it is my personal experience. This serum is a game changer. Basically, it has two layers. There are two different shades in it. If you all can see it, there are two different shades. See, first was yellow and this is the other shade. So it's really amazing. And what I absolutely love about this product, that it's co-created with dermatologists, like it's dermatologist approved. So it's not the hype at all, it's really co-created with dermatologists. So just shake it well and you'll see the magic happen. The texture is super lightweight, absorbs quickly and doesn't feel sticky at all, which is perfect for Indian weather. I use 2-3 drops and gently pat it into my skin, and it layers beautifully under moisturizer and sunscreen. So guys, can you see this shine? The texture is super lightweight and it is so amazing. Like it literally gives that good shine on your face, and I'm loving this. So basically I just use only 2-3 drops on my skin and then I pat it very gently, and it amazingly layers under the moisturizer or any sunscreen. Amazing. And to be very honest, this product is not sticky at all. Now let's talk about the results, because that is what really matters to me and to you guys also. This product targets pigmentation, dark spots, uneven skin tone, and it even disappears acne marks too. It improves overall skin clarity and brightens your skin even more. And you will start getting results, like the pigmentation will reduce, and you'll start getting results from the week 4. From week 4 you will start getting the results on your face. And what I started noticing more, that my skin started even looking more brighter and more fresh after I started using this serum. So to be very honest, the marks didn't disappear overnight. It took a bit of time, but gradually it faded away. Like it completely faded away. You can see my skin now, and I'll share you. These are my before pictures, as you can see here and here. These are my before pictures, and look at my current skin right now. So it's dermatologist co-created, it's lightweight, and it is super easy to use. It is good for daily use, and that's my personal experience. So I can tell you all how you can use it. You can use it twice a day. You can use it in the morning as well as in the night. And I'll clear one thing, like if you want to reduce pigmentation, then sunscreen. Basically, sunscreen is a must. You cannot skip sunscreen. You have to wear sunscreen if you're going out in the sun or anywhere, because if you're using this serum, you should take precautions also. You'll have to use sunscreen also with it. Otherwise, to be very honest, you're just reversing your progress backwards. Like there will be no results if you don't wear sunscreen whenever you're going in the sun. So if pigmentation has always been your biggest concern, then this is it. This is a must try. Let me know in my comment section that if you all have ever tried this, or if you guys want more skincare reviews, I will surely create more such videos. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also hit the notification bell, that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first one to notify. So that's it for today guys. See you in my next video. Bye.